This is how you can restore cloudy yellow headlights yourself at home and make them look almost brand new again. And the best part is that the entire process can be done in just a short amount of time. First, grab some masking tape and carefully cover the edges around the headlight. This step is extremely important because it protects your car's paint from accidental scratches while sanding. Make sure the tape fully covers the surrounding trim and painted surfaces before you begin. Now here's where the restoration process starts to work. Grab some 600 grit sandpaper and thoroughly wet both the sandpaper and the headlight with water. Keeping everything wet is very important because it helps prevent deep scratches from forming in the plastic. Then begin sanding using moderate pressure in circular motions or side-to-side movements across the entire surface. At first, the headlight may start looking even cloudier than before, but that's completely normal. What you're actually removing is the old oxidized layer that's causing the yellow discoloration. After sanding for a while, dry the surface using a towel or paper towels so you can check your progress. Once most of the yellowing is gone, repeat the same process using 800 grit sandpaper. Again, keep both the headlight and sandpaper wet the entire time. The difference now is that you won't need as much pressure because the heavier oxidation has already been removed. Next, move to 1500 grit sandpaper and repeat the same wet sanding process one more time. By this stage, the yellow color should be completely gone, although the headlight may still appear cloudy or whitish. That's actually a good sign because it means the damaged outer layer has been fully sanded away. Now, before moving to the final steps, let me give you one important detail that makes a huge difference. After sanding, wipe the entire headlight down using rubbing alcohol. This helps remove leftover plastic residue and prepares the surface for polishing and sealing. Once the surface is clean, apply polishing compound or plastic polish using a microfiber towel or polishing pad. As you work the polish into the headlight, you'll start noticing the cloudy appearance disappear while the transparency and shine begin returning. This step also helps clean up difficult corners and edges where oxidation usually hides. And here's the most important part that many people skip. To keep the headlights from turning yellow again, apply a UV protective coating or spray sealant afterward. Without UV protection, sunlight will slowly oxidize the plastic again over time. When applying the coating, use light, even spray passes from side to side across the entire headlight. Once finished, allow the coating to cure properly, ideally for a full day. One thing you'll notice immediately is the dramatic difference between the restored headlight and the untreated one. The clarity improvement can completely change how the front of the car looks while also helping improve visibility at night.